During a storm, 18 of the boats in the harbor were damaged. This represents 12% of the boats that were in the harbor. Find the number of boats that were in the harbor. And so our goal is to figure out what is the total number of boats that were in the harbor. Now, what we do know is 12%, and 12% is 12 over 100 written as a fraction. So 12% of the total number of boats that were in the harbor were damaged, and that is equal to 18 of the boats. So 12% of the total number of boats that were in the harbor were damaged, and that's equal to 18. So that's why we have 12 over 100 multiplied by t is equal to 18, because 12% of the boats, of the total number of boats that were in the harbor were damaged, and we know that number, and we know that the number of boats that were damaged were 18. So we set it equal to 18. And so using this equation, we need to figure out what t is. And so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna say 12 times t, and 12 times t is 12t, and we put it over 100. So we have 12t all over 100 is equal to 18 divided by 1, because we express 18 as a fraction. Next, we cross multiply. We say 1 times 12t, and 1 times 12t is 12t. Next, we say 100 times 18, and 100 times 18 is 18 times 100. And 18 times 100, or 100 times 18, is 1,800. So we have 12t is equal to 1,800. Next, we divide both sides of this equation by 12. This cancels over this, so we are left with t is equal to 1,800 divided by 12. And 1,800 divided by 12 is definitely equal to 150. So that means that the total number of boats that were in the harbor is 150 boats. And that's the answer for this particular question.